Yo, what's up guys? So maglalaro na naman tayo ng laro, no? Ng panibagong laro. So itong laro na to ay tinatawag na Division, Tom Clancy. Yan, pwede nyo download siya sa mobile, libre lang.
It happened in just
And
a few weeks.
cinematic guys. And yun guys, try natin siya.
Did us in.
Storyline kasi to guys. Yan.
And before we knew it, the
Ayan, panoorin nyo
dollar
muna.
spread like wildfire. A few weeks. That's how long it took for a civilization to collapse.
The governor of New York has asked for federal help as city services are collapsing.
Manhattan was being torn apart. So they locked it down. Or tried. But it was already too late.
The government is resorting to drastic measures to tackle the crisis.
We will not stand idly by while our great country crumbles. Decisive measures must be employed. That is why the President today has decided to invoke Directive 51.
So they finally activated us. The Strategic Homeland Division. An elite group of embedded agents. We walk among you. We are you until we are activated. Then we leave everything behind to answer the call. When all else fails, we are the last resort, the last line of defense, and we will give our lives to save what remains.
Yan, so guys, yan no. So, yan, Tom Clancy's Division. So, what's up ulit guys, no? So, maglalaro ulit tayo ng panibagong laro, no? So, itong laro na to guys, para siyang COD M na DMZ na may halong arena breakout. Yan, so, pwede siyang i-download sa Play Store, libreng-libre lang, no? And tatry natin siya. So, yun nangyari nga pala sa city nila is Riot. Ayan. Yan yung karakter natin. Pero hindi pa yan yung mismo karakter. Kasi gagawa pa tayo. Tutorial pa lang. Jump. So, palitan natin yung controls ko guys, no? Bago tayo dire-diretso. Wait lang guys, balik tayo, no? Yan, so natapos na natin.
Now, let's put that into some context. Complete the obstacle course.
Yan, parang Dying Light din siya guys, yung game na to. Kasi yung sa campaign nga. So, maganda to, magiging series na to. Tapos may mga rules tong game na to guys.
Well done. Let's move on to the next module. Agents must maintain expert-level proficiency with a wide variety of small arms.
So, nalaro ko na tong game na to guys. May una na akong account dito, nilalaro ko.
Now let's see you deal with moving targets.
So, ito yung nilalaro natin ngayon, yung account nito. Kasi gusto ko siya i-record eh.
Let's see how
And
you
gusto ko siya
perform
laruin din ng offline. So, dalawa account ko. Sniper naman tayo.
Excellent. I've marked you as Go for marksmanship. The effect of a well-placed grenade on multiple targets shouldn't be underestimated.
Ayan. Dami.
Weapons and marksmanship.
Dalawa lang kasi granite ko.
Good job, sir.
Ga-upgrade din pala yun.
This next module,
Ayan na.
we'll assess cover
Subukan na tayo.
tactics and basic combat skills.
Kasi nagka-cover tayo guys. Yan.
Whenever possible,
Ito ang pinaka-main goal ng
smart
game.
agent will move
Cover.
cover to cover to outmaneuver and flank the
Yan.
enemy.
Wala kasing frontong game. Walang crouch and frontong game na to guys. More on cover lang. Ayan, yan. Puro ganyan lang siya.
Good. Now let's increase the stress level a
Ayan
bit.
na.
Your objective is to reach the
Kalaban na.
end of the corridor and destroy the hostile turret. Don't get killed. You must learn to anticipate the time windows when the turret stops firing. These will be your opportunity to counterattack or advance to another cover.
Aray. Yan, pwede siyang bumaril guys kahit hindi naka-scope. Parang GTA. Dilan, tutok. Aray ko mali. Ay, mali. Ayun, slide mo pabalik para
That
mag-cancel.
concludes the cover tactics module. Well done. If a hostile gets too close, you need to whack him hard with whatever you got.
Ayan. Ayan, may melee button siya guys. Pero huwag niyong gagamitin yan. Pangit yung melee button. Mahina lang. Pangusog lang siya.
This last module will
Ayan na.
assess your intuitive.
Ito na yung role guys. So, ang role ko kasi sa unang account ko, tong weapon expert, tong wolf. Ito, tong vanguard. Ito namang demolish. Para siya nag-i-spawn ng mga drones, turret na may missile. Ayan. Yung ulti niya, bomba. Yung bulwark naman, tangke. May shield siya. Tapos nang i-stun siya, yung parang grenade niya. Tapos shotgun yung ulti niya. Tapos mas malaking shield. Itong weapon expert, more on barrel. Ayan guys. Itong weapon expert, more on barrel siya. Magaling siya sa barrel. Pag nag-ulti siya, tutok. Parang naka-aimbot ka. Tapos may scanner siya. And nare-reduce niya yung damage kapag naka-cover. And yun. Ayun. Kasi itong medic, nagbabato siya ng mga grenades. May lason, may pang-heal. Pero mas marami yung pang-damage kaysa pang-heal eh. Hindi ko nga alam kung medic yan eh. Yan, so try natin ano. Pero feeling ko ang pipiliin ko this bulwark. Para tangke tayo. Kahit mag-solo tayo kaya. Nahin natin siya. Para makita niyo yung skill.
You have two primary shade tech devices at your disposal. Deploy these to eliminate the enemy.
Ayan guys. Ayan, bomba yan.
What is this?
Pwede na siya. Maganda rin itong demolish guys. Ano, pang. Malakas siya. Pero yung mga kalaban kasi gumagalaw eh.
The
Pero
most
pwede na.
powerful tech in your arsenal is your signature device. Deploy
Malakas
it
yan, guys.
to turn the table on your enemy.
Holy shit!
Bomba.
Demonstrate
Lakas.
to me how you handle yourself in a combat situation. With all the weapons and devices at your disposal.
Try natin siya.
Signature ability ready.
What was that? What the fuck's this?
Try natin to. Try natin. Dito. Kahit gaano kalayo yan guys. Pwede mo rin ma-pick up yan. Ay, sniperin na natin para mabilis. Ay, dito mama. Hop, iwas tayo. May bomba. Patuwa mo ng bomba yan.
Show good instincts, Agent
Ay.
Candidate.
Ito ang gagamitin ngayon natin guys. Bulwark. Try natin siya. Nung una guys, kala ko
Two
pangit siya.
primary
Maganda
shade
pala siya.
tech devices at your disposal. Deploy these to
Maganda
eliminate the
pala
enemy.
siya guys. Yan, dapat gagamitin natin dito SMG. Ayan guys, ito. Ayan, nangi-stun yan.
Yeah!
Ayan, may shield tayo.
Oh my god!
The most powerful
Yan.
tech in your arsenal.
Pwede ito
is your
na ganyan
signature
guys.
device. Deploy it to turn the table on your enemy.
Bingo!
Bang!
Holy crap! Fucking pay for that!
Ba, shotgun guys. Easy lang.
Signature ability ready.
3, 2, 1. Ayan, pwede mo siyang ibato.
You guys, what was that? Those bastards!
Ayan, kaso tatamaan lang tayo pag nakagilid guys.
What the fuck's this?
Dito mama.
Finish them all.
Pwede natin doon, pwede natin lapitan. Diba? Tanky eh. So, ito yung gamit ko guys sa unang account ko, Vanguard. Yan, ito yung scanner.
What is this?
Maganda tong weapon expert na to guys kapag naka-sniper ka. Ay. Kasi maganda yung tutok nito eh. Pag naka-ulti. Para ka naka-aimbot. O kaya shotgun. Ito, marireduce yung damage.
The most powerful tech in your arsenal is your signature device.
Ayan na.
Deploy it to turn the table on your enemy.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung auto-aim guys. Ito yung auto-aim.
Wait, what?
Ayan, auto-aim. Yan, auto-aim. Pero papakita sa inyo ng sniper yun. Ito, pakita sa inyo guys.
Signature ability ready.
Bukas muna natin lahat yan. Ayan na. Ayan o. Ang tindi o. Oh, di lang headshot. Pero goods na. 100% tatama. Wala na tayong bala. Oh. Ngayon, ilawan na lang natin sila para makita yung ulo.
So good instincts.
Ayun yung magpatama ha. So ito, try natin yung last, yung support. Ano to guys? Lason.
You have two primary shade tech
Nalilito nga ako sa
devices at your
skill nito eh, kasi
disposal.
pare-pares yung design.
Deploy these to eliminate the enemy.
Pare-pares yung design niya guys. Ito, lason to. Ayan. Ito. Heal.
The
Heal
most
siya,
powerful
heal.
tech in your arsenal
Ito yung
is your
ulti.
signature device.
Lason.
Deploy it to turn the table on your enemy.
Ayun o. Bang. Lason. Maganda rin yung medic guys. Maganda rin siya.
Combat situation.
Kasi may
With all
mode
the
dito na
weapons,
parang COD M
devices
eh.
at your disposal.
Yung hard point. Yung ABC.
Signature
Kakapturin
ability
niyo siya.
ready.
Patawa natin. Pag lumapit yan, patayan. Ayun na.
Yeah! Oh my god!
Yan, hinihil tayo guys. Ganda natin. Kasi, ay, maganda naman yung bulwark eh. Mukha lang talaga siyang packet. Labas.
Show good instincts, Agent Cannon.
So, yan guys. Piliin na natin ang bulwark. Hindi ako pwede guys mag-ano guys. Rusher ako lagi sa
You
game.
have two primary shade
Kaya,
tech devices
weapon master
at
at
your
bulwark
disposal.
lang ako.
Oh fuck!
Bang. Mumurahin nyo ba ako ah? Yan, pwede siya mag-sniper guys habang naka-ano, shotgun. Maganda. Maduya.
You're surrounded, loser!
Loser ka. Loser,
The most
loser.
powerful tech is your
Duya to guys.
signature device. Deploy
Kahit
it to
anong
turn
baril
the
pwedeng
table on your
koperan.
enemy.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Demonstrate good
Diba?
instincts.
Duya
Agent
ng
Cannon.
bulwark. OP. So, confirm na natin
Stellar
siya.
performance, candidate. That concludes the final
Naubos na ang oras
pretest
natin dito sa tutorial na
I'm
to.
happy to confirm that you were accepted as an agent recruit. Now the training begins in earnest, and then let's hope we're never activated.
Yan. Hello, Ming Ming. What's up, Ming Ming? Yan. Get nyo. Yan na, tinatawagan na tayo. So, ang maganda sa game na to guys, pwede kayo magpalit ng damit, ganun. Bye-bye. Papalitan natin yun guys. Yan. Lalaki tayo, syempre. So, siguro ikat ko na lang to pag ano, no? Hindi ko na sa inyo papakita yung characterization niya. So, yan. Pipili kayo niyan. Pwede nyo pa i-customize yan. Nyari, gawin itong... Tignan nyo, maitim pero maputi dito. Para kasi pwede nyo siya paitimin, pwede nyo paputiin. Yan. Kayo na bahala guys. Ganun. No? Yan guys, na-create ko na yung character natin, no? Ayan. So, yan guys, pwede kayo mag-create na character niya, no? Download nyo tong game na to guys. Try nyo laruin. Bago lang tong game na to eh. So, syempre nalagay natin yung name natin, no? Kaya sige, try natin lagay ito. Tingnan natin guys kung confirm. Oh, 'di ba? Ganyan na kasi name ko sa kabilang account guys eh. Gamitin na natin yung isang name ko guys. Ayan. Ayan yung isang name ko guys.
Confirm identity.
So, baliktad sila guys. Yung main account ko yung Drake.
Agent, this is Astrid Meyer, Acting Section Chief, Lower Manhattan. Welcome aboard. As you can see, the situation is fast going south. It now falls on us in the division to prevent a total societal collapse.
Punta na siya guys.
We're it, Agent.
Yung isang name ko yan guys. Yung Hakori Mayuwi guys. Ay, si Mingming nagbabay.
One
Ayan na guys.
a VIP named Angela Chan from Chinatown.
Kakagulo na.
A local community leader deemed vital to the rebuilding effort to come. Agent Kelly is already
Nasa apartment
at the
tayo,
Spring
guys,
Blossom
eh.
restaurant.
Kawawa
We
naman
contacted
Mingming
her
ko.
to get
Iiwan
Angela
ko.
Chan to
Pwede
see.
bang balik tayo?
Good luck. Meyer out.
Mingming ko. Iiwan ko na. Saan lugar to?
Get in cover. We'll deal with this. Stop hiding.
Gusto na agad. Lutin natin yan guys. Yung mga loot, yung mga drop nila.
What's your
Gusto
status,
natin
Agent?
to.
It's crazy. I just saw a JTF soldier shot dead.
Yeah, the JTF has been overwhelmed. They're needed. Watch yourself.
Here we go. Bastard!
Sige, tayo nyo ako kung kaya nyo. Baka bulwark to boy. Baka tumatangke to boy.
This'll be sweet.
Baka bulwark to boy.
Easy.
Ano? Baka tangke to boy. Diba? Wala nang purpose yung tago-tago. Diretso agad. Daming alam, tago-tago. May shield naman. Ayan, kausapin na natin sila. Kevin Zhang. Si Kevin Zhang guys, parang siya si ano, sa Dying Light. Yung kapatid ni Jade. Yung makulit. Ito yun yung damit.
It's not some movie.
Yun guys.
Speak of the devil. Welcome to the Spring Blossom Restaurant. I'm Angela Chan.
Welcome pa sa
and
restaurant
this
eh. No?
is my nephew, Kevin. I'm Kelly. Good to see
Si
you.
Agent Kelly guys, makakasama natin.
You've been briefed, right?
Chief Meyer updated me. We're getting Mrs. Chan out of here.
Mrs. Chan refuses to leave without her people. We're taking all of them to the checkpoint.
Hold here while we clear the way. Very well.
Nagkamustahan lang sila,
The JTF is
nagkilala lang,
sending trucks to
nagkakilala lang sa isa't isa.
That's where we're taking Mrs. Chan and her little flock. The English women.
But first, we must clear the way of any gun-happy
I see you. I'll get him.
Yan ang gusto ko sa bulwark guys, may stun. Maduya. Siyempre nasisira yung shield guys. Hindi siya katulad sa tutorial na Infinite. Masyadong OP yan.
Be careful.
Wala. Tatago ka pa.
This'll be easy.
Diba? May kalaban pa pala. Lilikuran na kayo boy, di nyo alam.
We're gonna watch him bleed.
Ito ko, bumaba rin si Agent Kelly. Loko.
All clear.
Yan, military. Gamit natin yan. Kuha muna tayo ng bala para ma-refill. Yan.
They got you, Kane. They got the drop on us. This is all FUBAR. We've been begging for reinforcements for 2
Bang.
hours. Make them disappear.
Take them down.
Kahit ano magagawa ng bulwark boy. Do, di nyo alam kung saan siya pupunta.
This'll be easy.
Duyan ng bulwark sa weapon expert. Di ko nagagawa yung ganyan eh. Okay na tayo para mag-reload. Ang pangit lang sa bulwark guys, di mo mauultin kapag malayo yung kalaban. Ayun lang pangit din sa bulwark, di nakikita yung kalaban. Cancelin na natin. Para makaalis na tayo. Kasi may mga kalaban dito guys, di mo malalapitan eh. Mga flamethrower eh, may hirap yan eh. Doon ako lugi. Times 2 natin.
Yeah, this is Kelly. The way's clear. Keep going. I could kill for a foamy latte right now.
Ayan. Sumabog lang naman dyan guys, tapos may paparating na boss.
Here comes our flock. Thank you. We're not out of the woods just yet. Get your people inside and find cover.
Inaano na, urong na yung mga tao. Hanggang sa makalapit sa evacuation center. Ayan na. Tay. Ayan na yung truck guys, yung boss. Yan, di natin malalapitan yan. Machine gun yan. Yan, magko-cover talaga tayo dyan guys. Yan, machine gun yan. Tago.
Stay in cover!
Aim for the weak spots.
Pre, lalapit tayo. Bulwark tayo eh. Busin na natin buhay niyan, boy. Bago pa maghasik ng lagi niyan. Ipatay siya. May machine gun ka pa, boy.
Signature ability ready.
Bulwark yan, boy.
Well done, Agent.
Quick natin to. Yun, sniper. Pero mas gusto ko shotgun dito sa bulwark. Mas malakas. Tapatan talaga kung tapatan. Yan guys. Evacuation na sila guys. Yan.
I need a chopper stat.
I'll see what I can do, man.
Chopper.
We owe you our lives. What you did, just doing our job, man.
Now can I go?
Kevin, I'm sure Gabriel is safe.
Safe na sila yan guys. Pero di pa tapos yung mission, no?
Trinity Church? I never talked to there. He let me know if there was any trouble, and I haven't heard from him. But your job now is to protect your people here, Kevin. If there's any danger to the hospital, me and my colleague will deal with it. That's our job. And we're pretty damn good at it.
Dumating chopper. Yan, nakapunta na sila ng ano yan guys. Ng safe zone. Yan. Yan yung safe zone.
Good team. Stock up on ammo and just come on, get the command center. We're ready. I want a sit rep for the JTF.
Yung safe zone guys. Yun, may multiplayer na tayo, no? Mission. Weapon center. Yan, equip lang yan guys. Yan. So next time na tayo mag-i-equip, ako na bahala doon. No? So yun guys, dito ko natatapusin ang ating episode, no? Kung nagustuhan niyo ang ating episode ngayon, no? Bago natin ituloy yan kasi another mission yan eh. So nagustuhan niyo ang ating episode ngayon, no? Please like our video, no? Like nyo naman, no guys, na, and syempre huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-comment, no? Syempre para ano, nakikita ko naman yung mga comment nyo, and syempre huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-share para dumami tayo, no? And huwag nyo kakalimutan sa lahat ang mag-subscribe. Syempre mahalaga yan guys, para dumami. Tulong na sa akin yan guys. Sige na. Libre lang yan guys, libre lang lahat ng button na yun, no? Pindutin nyo na. And syempre kung di pa kayo nakapollow sa ating TikTok, sa aking TikTok, mag-follow na kayo, no? No, libre lang din yung pindutan doon. Pindutin nyo na please. Isang pindot lang na gano'n nyo. Yun lang. Dali lang yan guys. Malaking tulong na sa akin yan kahit isa lang yan. No? So yun guys. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Balik tayo kung gusto nyo yung part 2. I mean, lalagyan naman talaga natin ito ng part 2. No? Kasi maganda tong series na to eh. And yan lang. Bye bye.